2021 Jeep Cherokee. Starting at $27,805. Highs. Tows more than its competition, multiple powertrain options, class-leading off-road capability. Lows. Drives bigger than compact rivals, interior isn't exactly spacious, less cargo space than top competitors. Verdict. The Cherokee is bulkier and pricier than other compact crossovers, but it can tow more and safely venture far off-road. Overview. The 2021 Jeep Cherokee separates itself from the typical compact crossover with class-leading off-road and towing capabilities. Its Jeep genealogy will appeal to outdoorsy types, some of whom may actually need a vehicle that can handle driving beyond where the pavement ends. While the Cherokee's bloated facade will get few Instagram likes, the rugged Trailhawk model is more visually and mechanically exciting, especially with its enhanced drivetrain and other exclusive equipment. All Cherokee models can be had with all-wheel drive, and there's a solid selection of engines, including a stout V6 and a torquey turbocharged 4-cylinder. Still, folks who don't intend to capitalize on the 2021 Cherokee's 4,500-pound max towing capacity or ever leave pavement will be disappointed with its poor fuel economy, limited cargo space, and questionable value. What's new for 2021? For 2021, Jeep gives the Cherokee several newly standard active safety features. These include automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and more. The lineup also benefits from reshuffled standard features. For instance, the base model adds heated exterior mirrors and one touch-up/down front side windows. The Trailhawk adds a heated steering wheel and front seats as well as remote start. There's also a new 80th anniversary edition that's based on the Latitude Luxe trim level, so it inherits all the same standard features. Highlights include granite crystal 19-inch wheels, leather upholstery with contrast stitching, power-adjustable front seats, the larger 8.4-inch touchscreen, a panoramic sunroof, and more. Pricing and which one to buy. Latitude. $27,805. Latitude Plus. $30,120. Altitude. $31,315. Latitude Luxe. $31,620. 80th Anniversary Edition. $33,800. 80th Anniversary. $33,820. Limited. $35,545. Trailhawk. $36,845. High altitude. $38,235. We'd choose the Trailhawk model, which gets the stout V6 as standard. An advanced all-wheel drive system that features a locking rear differential is included, too. Other desirable standard features include an 8.4-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, a full-size spare tire, red tow hooks, a matte black hood decal, an off-road suspension that increases the ride height, and 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires. We'd also select the trailer tow package, which unlocks the Cherokee's maximum towing capacity of 4,500 pounds. Engine, transmission, and performance. The standard 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine is joined by an optional 3.2-liter V6 and turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder. The latter makes 270 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, 56 lb-ft more than the V6, and slots at the top of the powertrain pyramid. While we've yet to test the turbo engine at the track, we've spent time with it during our first drive. We found it to be lackluster compared with the V6 due to its dull responses to throttle inputs. The 4-cylinder Cherokee also has less towing capacity, 4,000 pounds maximum towing capacity versus the V6 Cherokee's towing capacity of 4,500 pounds. As you'd expect from a Jeep, the Cherokee drives with heftiness and solidity, making it feel larger than its rivals. Despite its off-road abilities, the Cherokee is still based on a car, meaning it provides a comfortable ride and decent handling on the road. Relatively firm suspension tuning controls body roll in corners without compromising the ride quality. Impacts are absorbed without much excess reverberation, and the Jeep never feels floaty on the highway. We wish the steering provided more feedback from the road, but it's nicely weighted and accurate. A firm-feeling brake pedal engenders calm in panic braking scenarios, and the Cherokee's 70 mph to 0 emergency braking performance is average for its class. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Cherokee has among the worst fuel economy in its compact crossover and SUV segment, according to both the EPA and our real-world testing. The most fuel-efficient version features the turbocharged 4-cylinder that tops out at 23 mpg city and 31 highway. While we've yet to subject either 4-cylinder version to our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, their EPA estimates aren't much higher than those for the V6. Compared with the last Overland we put through our testing regimen, the latest version earned 25 mpg highway or 1 mpg more than before. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With supportive seats and easy-to-use controls, the Cherokee's cabin is comfortable. An attractive dashboard that mimics the larger and more expensive Grand Cherokee's layout helps cultivate an upscale feel. However, given that the Cherokee is larger on the outside than many of its competitors, we'd expect it to feel more spacious on the inside. Small windows and high windowsills contribute to the feeling of confinement. The Cherokee's cargo area is smaller than most vehicles this size, and interior cubby storage is average at best. It's more difficult to load items into the rear than into some of its rivals due to the Jeep's high lift-over height. In addition, its cargo area is significantly smaller than top rivals such as the Ford Escape, 34 cubes, and the Honda CR-V, 39. Infotainment and connectivity. The Jeep's available Yukon Next infotainment system is among the best in the business, with well-organized menus and ample features. The standard touchscreen measures 7.0 inches and the larger option is 8.4 inches. Starting on the Latitude Plus trim, every model adds 2 USB ports on the back of the center console for use by rear seat passengers. Every Cherokee has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot is available. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2021 Cherokee earned a 5-star crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, but the last version the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, evaluated wasn't named a top safety pick. Jeep now provides an array of standard driver assistance technology as well as several optional assists. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, standard blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The Cherokee's warranty coverage is average for its class. Competitors such as the Kia Sportage and the Hyundai Tucson are the only rivals that offer significantly longer powertrain warranties. However, all 2021 models do come with 3 years of free maintenance. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. 3 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance is included. Specifications. 2019 Jeep Cherokee Overland AWD. Vehicle type. Front engine, all-wheel drive, 5-passenger, 4-door hatchback. Price as tested. $41,510, base price, $38,785. Engine type. DOHC 24-valve V6, aluminum block and heads, port fuel injection. Displacement. 198 cu in, 3,239 cubic centimeters. Power. 271 HP at 6,500 RPM. Torque. 239 lb-ft at 4,400 RPM. Transmission. 9-speed automatic with manual shifting mode. Chassis. Suspension, F/R struts/multilink. Brakes, F/R 13.0 invented disc/12.6 in disc. Tires, Bridgestone Dueler H/L Alenza Plus, P235/50 R1999 HM and S. Dimensions. Wheelbase, 106.6 in. Length, 183.1 in. Width, 73.2 in. Height, 66.2 in. Passenger volume, 103 cu fort. Cargo volume, 28 cu fort. Curb weight, 4,250 pounds. C/D test results. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 7.2 SEC. 0 to 100 miles per hour, 20.2 SEC. 0 to 110 miles per hour, 26.3 SEC. Rolling start, 560 mph, 7.7 SEC. Top gear, 3050 mph, 4.5 SEC. Top gear, 5070 mph, 5.6 SEC. Standing 1/4 mile, 15.5 SEC at 90 miles per hour. Top speed, Governor Limited 118 miles per hour. Braking, 70 mph, 184 feet. Road holding, 300-foot skid pad asterisk, 0.80 grams. Asterisk stability control inhibited. EPA fuel economy. Combined/city/highway, 22/19/27 mpg.